Oh, he gonna jump. He gonna jump. No, eyes wide open. He just looking at us. If this bird take off flying and come here, I promise you, I'm gonna lose everything.
I don't think he can fly.
Why his mouth like that? Like he mad at somebody.
He can't move.
But see, why be mad? I mean, he be looking sad, not mad. I mean, he be mad if somebody did something to you.
Look how he looking outside.
Yeah, he look like he want to do something. He look like this thing is mean mugging. He mean mugging us, mama. Look at that beat. This thing is mean mugging us. Look, bro, I don't know what you got on your mind, but that's your Wayne that's broke, not mine.
So the Wayne broke. Yeah, he hurt. Oh, look, fell.
Look how mama, look at that thing looking at us.
What can he eat? He might be hungry too.
We finna feed the bird.
What can he eat, Kim?
Bread,
Some
seeds.
bread, yeah.
Whole thing. Yeah, then take out flying, I promise you.
Oh, look, yeah. If it wasn't for the Rona, I'd probably take him home.
Put him in bed with Sedare.
Yep.
Another daughter. Y'all kind of look like, Sedare, look your beat like this. Sedare look like this. I said, your beat out of my bed. Look.
Oh, look, fell.
Oh.
I got some breadcrumbs and I got. You think this will be enough?